Turtle River State Park, just a short jaunt from Grand Forks, is a unique and tranquil haven for both wildlife and your family, offering a blend of natural beauty and recreation year-round. In the warm summer sun, kids can splash and play in the shallow river while delighting in the thrill of catching frogs and hunting for bugs in fields. This diverse habitat hosts 96 species of birds and serves as a migratory stopover for many others. Families venture out to hike along our 13 miles of trails, including 5 bridges spanning the Turtle River, providing excellent access to the entire park. Winter transforms the park into a wonderland, offering more than 7.5 miles of groomed cross-country ski trails. And why not explore and make memories while strapped into some snowshoes? Our meandering trails offer mountain bikers scenic views with all of their twists and turns. Kids zip around on their bikes along the paved roads throughout the campground, passing our historical facilities like the CCC Memorial Shelter and the Woodland Lodge. Families can cozy up in our cabins, their campers or tents, and enjoy our modern facilities. Our playgrounds are a great place for kids to burn off some energy. And bring your pup down to the dog park to let them run free in the open air. And when you're all tuckered out from your day's adventures, there's nothing quite like gathering around a crackling campfire and gazing up at the starry sky. We have it all year round, at Turtle River State Park.